From the image in the screen, you can notice that it is a short flay. A short flay, that means it is a trouser flay. So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draft it out. So I'll put every measurement I use on the screen so you can use it. So I'm starting with 6 inches. This is me dividing my measurement into 4. Another way you can get this 6 inches is by doing this on the screen. So I make sure that I am using the edge of the tape and I'm marking it directly. So if you are cutting this in your pattern paper, you should make sure that it is one piece. So now I'm going to be putting my hip measurement, which is 9. So I'm placing my crotch curve. My crotch curve is 2.5 inches. I'm basically trying to make a crotch line. So I'm putting my 2.5 inches over my hip length and my crotch length. So I'm just going to make a straight line from my waist to my crotch length. So this is my hip. So my crotch length is about 12 inches. So this is my hip right there. It's a little bit slanted because of the curve line. So to make the crotch curve, just put 1 inches from waist in between and connect it with your free hand. So this will enable you to sit properly. So right now I will be putting my full length of my short, which is 16, but I'm adding 1 inch for the folding, so which is 17. So I'm just going to put 17 inches round. Try to check your waist before proceeding forward to make sure you are heading towards the right direction. So to make the knicker sit properly, you're just going to take about 2 inches and connect it down to the crotch to make a good finishing. Make sure you're checking over your waist. So to cut out this, you need to put a half-inch seam allowance. So heading over back to the back measurement. So I did not want to use another pattern paper, so this is a quick way to make use of your pattern. Just place it over and make sure you have about 2.5 inches, which is going to be the difference between the front and the back. So you are going to mark 2.5 inches. For I used 2 inches because I really do not need the half inches. but you can use 2.5 inches for your zip allowance. I basically mark it out a little bit, then I connect it. So now you are going to come up by 1 inches and connect it to the front pattern. So this will enable your hip to sit very properly. So make sure you are aligning it together. For this section of this dress, we are going to be folding our material into 4 places. So I'm using 4 places. So guys, I will be cutting this into 2. So therefore I divided my measurement into, which is my waist measurement, into 2 sections. So I'll cut out for the front and for the back parts. For this, I'm using 2 inches because I rounded it up. So I'm going to cut out the length. Do not forget that this material I'm cutting over is one side, which is the front pattern. So I'm going to be cutting for the zip pattern, which the difference is 2 inches. So make sure you like and share this video. So my length is actually 11 inches, but I'm adding 1 inches, which make it 12 inches. So I'll be using 12 inches as my length. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So guys, this video is being divided into a different part. So make sure you follow up on the other part and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.